I'm psycho.
You don't give a fuck, you don't care about none of it. That's what you tell yourself to keep your sanity company. The migraine stumping on your brain so hard, it's like the weight of 80 tons inside a cable cord. Ringing in your ears, yeah, it's the sound of an Andromeda. The black dahlia, spaced out, that's the insomnia. Your thoughts racing, nerves on the edge of your frustration.
Cause I'm psycho.
Cause I'm psycho.
Cause I'm psycho.
Listen and they might as well take this. Your chest painted, so tense, your neck's painted, so exclamation. You chose to be the demonstration. This organization comes from when the focus failing. So if you hold yourself accountable before the